Good morning, class of 2021, parents and guardians. Today is Wednesday, the 19th of May, and guess what? 21 days until graduation, and here's what you need to know. Number one, graduation tickets. All students, all seniors will receive 2 graduation tickets. No exceptions, I'm sorry, but you will receive your tickets when you pick up your cap and gown. So remember, those students who have a last name A through L will pick up their cap and gown and their tickets on June the 4th. Those students who have a last name M through Z will pick up your cap and gown and your tickets on Monday, June the 7th. Number 2, locker clean out from Mr. Garwood. You'll be able to clean out your locker after graduation practice. In order to do it orderly, we're going to do it like this. On June 4th, those people with the last name that starts from M through Z, you'll be cleaning out your locker on Friday, June the 4th. For people who have a last name A through L, you'll be cleaning out your locker on June the 7th. Make sure to bring a trash bag, and there'll be plenty of trash cans in the hall for you to throw things away, and make sure you bring home those things that you really need. A trash bag's probably a good way to bring them home. Fact number 3, graduation activities, something to look forward to on June 8th. We're going to have a big barbecue and a yearbook signing party. If you did pay your dues, you will receive your yearbook, and there will be a big yearbook signing party with a barbecue and a DJ, so it's going to be a lot of fun. That's after graduation practice on June the 8th. Fact number 4, AP and sports students. Any students who play a sport and have a uniform, please bring back your uniform any day during graduation practice, preferably the day you pick up your cap and gown. Also, if you are an AP student that have any kind of AP books, or any kind of books for that matter, go ahead and bring that back any day during graduation practice. And finally, let's end on a high note. Number 5, graduation is on June the 9th, only 21 days away, 9:30 a.m. sharp. Remember, graduation's at 9:30 a.m. sharp on the football field. You students, you'll be provided your lineup time, so make sure that you look your best and come to impress. And finally, finish strong, be well, check your Navions. If you have any questions, reach out to your counselor. Graduation is only 21 days away. Make sure you're following everyone on Insta, ALHSCO 2021. Be well, and see you soon.